So let's say that you assembled your reads someplace else, or you have some FASTA files that you downloaded from GenBank, and you want to use the comprehensive genome service in Patrick on those contigs. How do you do that? Well, let's go into services and let's click on comprehensive genome analysis. The page loads and it's set up first for reads, but right up here you can click on assembled contigs and put that in. Now in previous videos I've shown you how you can upload a contig file or any kind of file by clicking on the folder and clicking on the upload button here. You could of course drill into any folder and upload it in a specific place if you wanted to. But what I want to do is look for a set of contigs that I have recently assembled. So I can click here and it will show me some of the most recent assemblages that I've done. So I want this one here. Okay. So that's the file. It is bacteria. I do know, because I got it from this SRR number here, and I do know that it is Brucella. Now, I think it's Brucella canis, but I'm not exactly sure. I don't need to be sure on this to get this. I do want to get it at the genus level, as I've told you before, so that I get the two flavors of protein families. The global families, which cross the genus boundary, and the local families. So I'm just going to click on Brucella here, and that's all I need if I can get to genus. If I want to go further, I can. And then I need my own identifier. So I think I'm going to use that SRR number. So I put it in there, and notice here at the output name here, I put my label here, and then you can see that SRR number. And now I have to figure out a place where I want this job to load, or where I want to put this job. So I could create a new folder, or I could look at folders I already have created. So maybe I'll put it in this comprehensive genome analysis folder. You can see that I have two folders with that name within my workspace. But I'll click at the one on my home directory, and then I click. I've got everything ready. The submit button is enabled, so now I can click it. And once I click it, it's going to give me a message that says I've successfully submitted it, and now it tells me my job has been queued. And if I go down here to my the job tracker, I can see that in the running, there's one. And if I want to keep track of that, I can click here, and it can show me that my job is currently running. In subsequent videos, we'll show you what the downstream job looks like once it loads. Thanks for joining us. Bye.